Let's name some aromatic compounds. And the first one is a benzene with an alcohol group on it. So alcohol means that this is a phenol, the benzene ring with the alcohol. And then here, of course, we have an ethyl group. So I'm going to try this naming with different types, okay, of names. So we can call this ortho, ethyl, phenol. If you don't remember phenol, then you can also go ahead and call that hydroxy. And so then we can go ahead and take it alphabetical, which means that we can say 1 ethyl, 2 hydroxy benzene. So both of the names are fine, both will work. So depending on what you can remember and what you want to name this as, okay, both will work. All right, let's look at the next one. And here we have chloro, and here is a methoxy. The relationship here is going to be para because it's completely opposite each other. So methoxy, we can leave it like that. Otherwise, the methoxybenzene is also called anisole. And it depends, anisole is kind of a little hard to remember, so you can just leave it as methoxy if you wish to. So we can say this is para methoxy chloro benzene. That will work, or you could also go ahead and do it number wise, so which means starting from chlorine because that is alphabetically lower. So 1 2 3 4, so it would be 1 chloro 4 methoxy benzene. Okay, both names are going to be just fine. All right, so let's look at the next one. Now we actually have 3 substituents in this one. So you can give a base name if you want to, or you can just call each of those as separately as you wish to. So this one is bromo, this is hydroxy, and the last one is amino. So keeping the lower numbers and alphabetically, so 1 2 3, this will work. So which means 1 amino, 2 bromo, sorry, 3 bromo, yeah, I know you got it too, 2 hydroxy benzene. Okay, this will work. So you can leave it like that. This should be easy enough. Let's look at the next one. So we'll try and do the last one in a little bit different way because now we actually have an acid and we don't know how to call that as a substituent. We do know that this is a nitro, so that's fine. This is, of course, a methyl. So which means that because we don't know what to call the COOH group as a substituent, our base name is going to be benzoic acid. Okay, so now we can go ahead and number according to that. So 1 2 3 4, we still try to keep the lower numbers possible, and so 4 methyl, 3 nitro benzoic acid. So it just means that our numbering is actually starting from the benzoic acid. Okay, so pretty straightforward. So again, if you remember the base names, that's good. Otherwise, you can just go by numbers also.